Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers. So kids, colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first draw 1 and use blue color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W E 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids, now 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. Kids, now 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first draw A. A for aeroplane and use blue color. B for bus. C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now J for jackfruit and use yellow color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, again use yellow color and draw N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now R for rose and use red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for uncle. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Kids, again use red color and draw Y. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Kids, night or numbers, and first read of 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6. Kids, again use black color and draw 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 M I N E 9. Kids, again use black color and draw 10 T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.